Hello, welcome to Olivia Toys. It's building time today. I have got a Lego Friends set. Though to look at it, you wouldn't really expect that this would be a theme for Lego Friends. I am actually very much enjoying the go-karting theme. And this one is actually like a truck. It's a truck. I love this. I love this. So we have got 2 bags, and of course we've got the instructions and we've got the stickers, and this one is a set that features Olivia in her go-karting uniform, and it looks really, really awesome. I do like these uniforms. They're going to come in all sorts of handy later on when we do all sorts of different dress-ups. It's nice to have some versatility in their outfits as well. She obviously needs a helmet, and it is pink to match her colour scheme. And it's got the little ponytail on the back, which is cool. That's very cool. All right, so Olivia is ready. This one, this set also features a hamster. So I don't know what the hamster's doing. Maybe the hamster is busy driving the go-kart. I don't know. But I suppose we'll find out. Maybe the hamster's driving the truck, the fix-it truck, the tow truck. Actually, this actual set is called the Service and Care Truck, so it's a very convoluted way of saying a tow truck. But this is Zobo. Of course, Zobo is in on the action. Zobo was never going to be left out of the go-karting action, and maybe we even get to build a go-kart for Zobo. I don't know. That would be really cool though. I wonder if all the Friends girls get to go-kart, and so does Zobo. Anyway, Zobo is ready. Zobo's ready to go out. We might put... Okay, Zobo now has a hamster on the side of him for safety. Now, go-kart time. Each of the girls gets their own go-kart in their own colour scheme, and you can bling it up however you like. So the basic go-kart design is all the same. We've got the handles on there, we've got the little tilted forward seat, and of course we need some wheels. So Zobo's off to find them. Well, thanks Zobo and your hamster helper. Good, we got 4 wheels. Now we need their insides. What are these bits called? They're not their rims, might be called their rims. The insides of the wheels, so we can actually stick them on. So nice basic go-kart design here. And then we decorate it, looks good, then we decorate it in Olivia's colours, which are these really pretty pastel yellow and pink and blue. So we've got the yellow on the bumpery front and the backy bits, and some pink here with the first sticker of the set, which is her little emblem, the cog emblem. And what else? What's going to power this particular go-kart? Because when we built Andreas with the cool diner, it was powered by speakers, by the power of amplification. Maybe the tools. She's got all her tools on it. Look at that. It's a shifting spanner on that side. Is that a shifting spanner? Looks like a spanner. Might be a wrench. Depends where you are as to what you call it. And on this side, you've got a little tippy-tappy hammer. Oh, that's good. I love the fact she keeps her tools handy. And we have got... Now we get to find out what's actually going to power or control her go-kart, because this is the back bit. Oh, it's got an aerial on it. So is Zobo in charge? So it's actually going to be maybe a remote controlled go-kart. That's a cool idea. So Zobo, you can control... No, you don't actually have to push it. You might need a little remote. Or maybe you can power it internally. Oh, well, actually, rather than having Zobo pushing it, each of these go-karts comes with a launcher, so you can physically push it yourself, and when you've got some go-karts, you can race them, and you can see how fast they can go. See who's going to be the winner. So we've got one, like I said already, we've got the one for Andrea. I'm going to build all of these sets so that we do get all of the girls and all of their go-karts, and then they can race. This is awesome. Do you know what? I wasn't sure that I was going to like these new sets. I had no interest in racing or cars, not a single bit of interest, but they're so quirky and so much fun to play with, and there's just so many cute, funny details in each of them that it doesn't matter if you don't like cars, you don't like racing. They're just so much fun, and the girls do love going out on adventures. there. Look at that. That was terrible, actually. I need to put a little bit more force on there. Let's give it a... There we go. It actually works really effectively. Okay, got a go-kart. Now we get to build the tow truck. This doesn't look like a tow truck. This looks like... It's a little speed hump, I think. Or it looks like a zebra crossing. Oh my goodness, it is a zebra crossing. Not for zebras, but for hamsters. That's so cute. So the hamster goes, oh, what a lovely day. Oh, I'm just crossing the road really slowly. Off I go. And then once the hamster is safely across, then and only then can Olivia continue on her race. The hamster's back again. That's one of those quirky, adorable details that I was telling you about before. This is hilarious. This is my favorite thing. Okay, we're up to bag number 2, and now we're definitely building the tow truck, or as the label says, the service and care truck. So I wonder who's going to be in charge of this service and care truck. I suppose it will probably be Olivia. Is she in charge of servicing all of the girls' go-karts? Or are they in charge of servicing their own? But they do need a tow truck to take the go-karts from place to place when they're not actually working properly, because you can't just push it from one end of town to the other. You put it on a truck. So that is the function, obviously, of our service and care truck. So let's get it built and let's see how it goes. And I just love the fact that we've never seen a truck in the Lego Friends builds before, and I couldn't be more thrilled because it's as cute as can be. Can trucks be cute? Yes, of course trucks can be cute and functional and perfectly perfect for the Lego Friends girls. Now it's looking pretty good, except I missed this bit out of here. There's this massive gap I should have noticed before, but easily fixed. Now let me see, we've got tippy bit on the back. This is on the front. We've got some headlights on already, but so far, apart from some wheel arches, we're not seeing a whole heap of form, but now we're starting to really create the contours of the truck so we can see what it's going to look like. So that's the front, and we've got the number plate, which is too fast for you, and it also was not straight enough for me. Now it's straight enough for me, and too fast for you, with little pink flames out the side. Oh, that's adorable. And I put these on the wrong spot too. Goodness me, I need to concentrate. Luckily we can fix it. And a little place to sit. Looks like there might be seating for 2 characters there. Maybe. It's not conventional at the moment because we don't have 2 foot holders. And a little box at the back where the hamster can go in. Oh, be quicker than walking across the zebra crossing. Or the hamster crossing. Now, we are... Oh, okay, this is going to be the side of the truck. So we've got the number that you can call on one side. And on the other side, we've got some more little emblems there. And this is the tray. So there are some oil drops there. That's the sort of detail that I love in these sets. Just love it. Some spilled oil from the broken go-karts. And on the back, we've got... Oh, so we've got some tire tread marks. How did those get on there? I like that, right. No, that's not actually how they got on there. So that's the ramp for the go-karts to go up. And this just clicks on the back. And then the go-kart can go up on there. Perfect. That's so good. That is it is actually really, really good. I love it. Okay, all right. I need to concentrate. Oh, look at this! So Zobo is actually in charge of driving and Olivia's just the passenger. Now that makes perfect sense because she can't drive and drive her go-kart. So, oh, that's a great idea. So if Olivia breaks down, she can remote control for Zobo to bring the service truck. Oh, I love it. I love the detail. Oh. And we've got some more really nice colours on here. It's so cheerful. It's such cartoony colours. I love it. And another sticker on the front. We definitely know what this is for now. I don't think... Oh, actually, that's not the front. This is the top. This is going to be the roof of the cabin. And we have got the little alert light things and those little noisy things for the horn. Or maybe just to play loud music. I don't know. Oh, here we go. There's some of the exhausty things. That's what makes these trucks so noisy. And now on the back we've got a spare wheel for, not for the tow truck, but for the go-karts. And on the other side is a spot for a fire extinguisher. Well, this truck is really well equipped. Of course it needs wheels, so let's do that. Can't go very far without wheels. Not going to be a very effective tow truck if it can't move. So wheels on, and then we'll have a really good look at how it all works. We got the side mirrors up, and we've got the hamster driving the go-kart, well, just looking after the go-kart. Oh, and of course all of those tools, they have a place. So there are all these hooks on the side where we can put miscellaneous tools, maybe the ones that Olivia uses the most. That one's a shifting spanner. And then we've got the drill and some oil and one of those things that take your tires off. I don't know what they're called. They have those hexagonal shapes on them. Okay, now this actually tips up so you can get the go-kart on and off really easily. We might put the hamster up on the top where it'd be a bit safer. That's really, really, really awesome. Alrighty, let's take this go-kart for a spin. Okay, Olivia, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, hold on. You shot off the mark. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Wait for it. Go! Oh, there she goes. Oh, hold on. There's a hamster crossing. That does not look safe. Is Olivia gonna... Oh, she braked in time. Oh no, hold on, but the hamster has fallen over in fright. So Olivia, of course, has to stop and rescue the hamster, but oh no, her go-kart is broken. It is not starting, so let's call for Zobo. Come on, Zobo. Can't drive in a straight line. Well, hold on, almost tipped over your tow truck. All right, so Zobo is here. It's time to load up the go-kart, check out what might be wrong with it. And we need to get this hamster, to the pet center. So just check the hamster crossing. Good, all clear. Now you can go. And off to the pet center to drop the hamster off with Mia. Mia can check it out and find out what's wrong with that hamster. Poor little hamster. Here we go. We're at the pet center. And let's see, is Mia here? Yes, Mia's here. Good. Phew. Glad. Okay, Mia's got the little hamster. We'll check it out. And Zobo and Olivia will head off to the creative tuning shop, which I actually haven't built yet, so they're going to have a long drive looking for it so they can fix the go-kart, or the no go-kart, because it's not going. Oh, and Mia's checking out the hamster, and I think the hamster just had a big fright, so it'll be okay. Now, I will also be okay if you have remembered to subscribe, and if you have left me a comment, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about the build and about all the go-kart series, and I'll see you with another build very, very soon. Bye!